Hello students, now we will continue this topic area related to circle. In this topic, we first you understand part 1, 2, 3, then you will do the part 4. Look here when we will do the interesting question. So look here, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of arc, area of sector and area of segment. Look here, we will understand by diagram. Look here, this is a circle and here the arc is here AB. AB is here arc and this arc subtend angle at the center. That center we will take here O. Otherwise, this is point A and this is point B. Look here, in here this center angle is 60 degree and radius of this circle is 21 centimeter. Now length of arc means we have to find the length of arc AB length we have to find, and second is area of sector. This sector area we can find and area of segment. So look here, first we can write here R equal to 21 centimeter and theta equal to 60 degree. First question is length of arc. So length of arc we can write formula 2 pi r theta by 360. All of you know this formula. Already I explained you. Okay, so you will learn these also. And look here, 2 here pi, place of pi we will use here 22 by 7. Okay, and r is here 21 centimeter. Centimeter we write in last, and theta is here 60 degree and upon 360, and this will be in centimeter. Now 7 and 3 we can cancel, 7 3 ja, and look here 6 6 ja 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 and 2 we cancel, means all is cancel, only 22 is remaining. So 22 centimeter is the length of arc. All of you understand, this is a very simple solution we have done. Now second we have to find area of sector. So we can write here area of sector. You know the formula for area of sector? Yes, pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, this is the formula. Now here also we will put place of pi 22 by 7 and place of r we will put here 21 r square, so we write 2 times 21 into 21, and centimeter we can write in last. Okay, and theta is 60 degree and upon 360. Now these we have to cancel, 7 3 ja 21, 6 6 ja 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2, and this we cancel 11. So here what is remaining? 11 into 21 is remaining, and these we multiply, we get 231 centimeter square. So area of sector we get 231 centimeter square. Okay, all of you understand. Now next what we have to find? Area of segment. Next we have to find area of segment. So area of segment we write formula. All of you learn the formula for area of segment? Yes, all of you learn. Very good. So formula for area of segment is pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. This formula for area of segment. Now look at this portion, already you calculated in a same question you calculated this portion, so you can write as it is. This calculation we have done 231, so you can write 231 centimeter square as it is, you can write. Okay, we have same question, you can copy here. Now minus 1 upon 2 r is here 21 and into 21 square, so we write 2 times sin theta is 60 degree, this we write centimeter square. Now look here this we can write 231 as it is, minus this 1 upon 2 as it is, 21 into 21 441 we can write as it is, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so we put as it is, and centimeter whole square we can write here. Now look at 231 as it is minus 441 upon 4 and root 3. Look at this also you can write answer, but if you want to put the value of root 3 value, we know root 3 is 1.732. So this value if we put here, we get 231 minus 441 divided by 4, we will get here 110.25, and root 3 value is 1.732. Look at these two, we will multiply, we will get here 190.95, approximately right. Okay, now you will subtract these, we will get here 40.05 centimeter square. So we can write here area of segment is 231 minus 441 upon 4 root 3 centimeter square, or we can write 40.05 centimeter square. Okay, all of you understand this? This is a very simple solution and very important also. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with a diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the wire required and the area of each sector of the brooch. This look here, this a circle, and here 5 diameters we use, and we can get this type of diagram. So look here, we have to first the diameter is given. Diameter is 35 mm. This we can write 35 upon 10 centimeter. Diameter is this, so radius equal to half of this, we have to do 35 upon 10. So 35 upon 20 centimeter we get, and this we can cancel by 5. 5 7 are 35 and 5 4 are 20. Okay, so 7 by 4 centimeter we get. Now we have to find the length of a silver wire. So length of silver wire equal to, where we use the silver wire in the circumference, so you can write here 2 pi r, and look here how many diameters, 5 diameters are used, so 5 into diameter we can do. 2 pi we can use 22 by 7, r we can use 7 by 4, and plus 5 diameter is 35 by 10 we can use here. This we get answer in centimeter. You can cancel 2 and this we get 2 you can cancel, we get 11. 7 and 7 we can cancel, so here is 11 only, and this we cancel, 5 2 are 10, and we divide 17.5. We will add this, we will get here 28.5 centimeter. Second is we have to find the area of each sector. This total we have 10 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 parts. So angle equal to 360 we divide by 10, so we can write here 36 degree. Okay, now area of each sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Pi we can write 22 by 7, r we can write here 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, and into theta we can write here 36, and total this angle is 360. Look here, this 7 and 7 we can cancel, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 11 ja, this we can cancel by 10, so total we get here 77 and this upon 80 centimeter square. This we can write at 0.9625. A round table cover has a 6 equal design as shown in this figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. We use the root 3 equal to 1.7. Look at here, radius is given 28 centimeter look at here, we have 6 equal segments, so each angle theta will be equal to 360 upon 6. This will be 60 degree we get. Now area of segment, 6 segment will be equal to 6 into area of segment formula we write, that is pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Now here r we will put 28. Okay, so we will get 6 bracket 22 by 7 and place of r is 28, so r 28 into 28, theta is 60 degrees, so we write 60 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, 28 into 28 sine 60 we write, and these we have to. Now we write 6 22 into 4 into 28 upon 6 minus this we can cancel, we can get here 14 into 28 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this also we cancel, we get 14. Look here this we will multiply. Look here, this 22 into 4 into 28 we get 2464, and this denominator 6 minus 14 196, and root 3 value we have to put here 1.7. So 1.7 we can write. Now we will take LCM. LCM is here 6 and 2464 minus 196 we have to multiply by 6 into 196 into 1.7. This 6 and 6 we can cancel, and this 2464 minus these all we multiply, we get 96 into 1.7 we get 1999.2, and this whole centimeter square. Look at this 2464, we subtract this 1999.2 centimeter square, we will get here 464.8 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of making the design. So cost of making the design equal to 464.8 into 0.35 get rupees. Okay, and this we multiply, we will get here 162.68 rupees. Okay, all of you understand this is a very simple solution.